Hey everybody, Rick here, back at Universal Orlando for another rapid fire info video. This one will explain the locker system here. And remember, I do not need 15 minutes to do this. Here at Rix, we can do it in under 6. And if I do it in under 6, please give this video a thumbs up. If I fail, if I go over 6 minutes, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. Universal Orlando is known for providing bigger thrills and faster rides than some of the other theme parks in the area. As such, there are many rides that you cannot take a bag or a backpack on. So, unless you have a porter, a valet, or a nanny with you to hold your bags, you're going to have to use Universal's locker system. This video will explain all the lockers here at Universal, but first let me tell you about the free single-use lockers. These are the lockers that are located at the attractions that do not allow you to take bags onto them. The standard size lockers, 14 inches by 5.5 inches by 16.9 inches, are for small, loose articles. You can fit mini backpacks in them, lounge fly style backpacks in them, but probably not a full-size backpack. These standard size lockers are free while you ride. No charge for them while you are in the attraction. If you have more stuff or oversized items or just bigger, fuller backpacks, you will need to rent the larger lockers. They are 12 inches by 13 inches by 16.9 inches in size and can be rented for an additional fee. You can visit the locker location for pricing information, but at the time of this recording, the large lockers are $2 while you ride, $3 for every 30 minutes after, to a maximum of $20 for the day. The single time use lockers and the large lockers are available at the entrances of the following attractions. At Universal Studios Florida, that includes Revenge of the Mummy, Men in Black Alien Attack, Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket, and Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts. At Universal's Islands of Adventure, this would include the Incredible Hulk coaster, Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure, and Jurassic Park Velocicoaster. The single-time use lockers are not free at the water attractions. The following water-based attractions offer single-time use lockers for an additional fee. Visit locker locations for pricing information. Jurassic Park River Adventure, Popeyes and Bluto's Barges, and Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls. In addition to the single-time use lockers, Universal also offers all-day locker rentals. Guests have unlimited access to these lockers during the course of the day. Lockers are available on a first-come, first-served basis. Please visit a park attendant or concierge for assistance. Visit the locker location for pricing information. Large lockers measuring 12 inches by 13 inches by 16.9 inches are available for rent near the park entrances of Universal Studios Florida and Universal's Islands of Adventure. They will be to your left as you enter the park. Family-size lockers measuring 12 inches by 16.25 inches by 16.9 inches are available at Universal Studios Florida. Those will be on your right-hand side as you enter the park near the restrooms and the Lost and Found. At Universal's Volcano Bay Water Park, lockers can be found in the Rainforest Village, River Village, and the Wave Village at Universal's Volcano Bay. There are 3 different locker sizes available: mini, regular, and family. Well, that's all the information I have for you about lockers, but if you made it this far, I do have one of Rick's tricks for you. The 3-pronged fanny packs, or bum bags as they are called in the UK, are allowed on most of the rides. I'm talking about the fanny packs that fit around your waist, not over your shoulders. If the stuff you're carrying can fit inside of a fanny pack, you can skip the lockers. Except for the 3 rides that have metal detectors: the Hulk coaster, the Velocicoaster, and Rip Ride Rocket. For those rides, everything you are carrying must go in a locker unless someone in your party skips the ride and holds your stuff for you. And here's a big tip when dealing with the lockers. Keep your park ticket or your pass with you at all times. You will need it to re-enter the locker. Do not put this or your ticket inside the locker. And technically, you don't even have to have a park ticket or a park pass to use the lockers. The locker attendants, they do have locker tickets that allow you to access the lockers. And also, the locker areas are very small. Don't send the whole party in there at once. Give all your stuff to one person. Let that one person go into the locker area and put stuff in a locker. We don't need 4 or 5 people in there. Just one, please. And that is pretty much everything you need to know about lockers. If I explained them in under 6 minutes, give me a thumbs up. If I went over, give me a thumbs down if you must. But if you're in the mood for another Rix Under 6 video, click above my left shoulder. There's one there for you to enjoy. And as always, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.